Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi in Windows quickly and easily. Whether you're setting up a new PC or troubleshooting your network connection, I've got you covered. Let's jump in. Method 1. Connecting to Wi-Fi from the taskbar. Click on the Wi-Fi icon. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray. 2. Select your network. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Click on the network you want to connect to. 3. Enter the Wi-Fi password. If the network is secured, you'll be asked to enter a password. Type the correct password and click Connect. 4. Confirm connection. If the password is correct, you'll see Connected Secured under the network name. Now you're online. Method 2. Connecting to Wi-Fi via Windows settings. 1. Open Windows settings. Press Win-I to open settings. Click on Network and Internet. 2. Go to Wi-Fi settings. In the left menu, select Wi-Fi. Click Show Available Networks. 3. Select and connect. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list. Click Connect and enter the password. Troubleshooting tips. If Wi-Fi is not working, ensure Wi-Fi is turned on in settings. Restart your router and PC. Run the Windows Network Troubleshooter. And that's how you connect to Wi-Fi in Windows. If this tutorial helped, like, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.